In this video, we will learn how the student can join a Google Classroom using his Android phone. If they are not having the desktop and laptop, they can do it with the Android phone or smartphone. So let's see how we can do that. I'll open Play Store and I look for Google Classroom. I'll search for Google Classroom here. Here is the app the student will download. So now I'll open it. It will ask me for an email address. I'll click on OK. So you will click on the plus sign and you will click on join the class. And here you have to write the code which is being provided by your teacher. The teacher will provide you a code. So you will enter that code over here and then you will click on join. This is how you will join a class. I will show you how you can join the class if the teacher has shared a link with you in your mail or in your WhatsApp group. So here is the mail which is being sent by a teacher to a student. The student is going to click on this and he will open the app, the Google Classroom app, and now he will be clicking on joining the class. He can switch the account in case he want to switch the account. And now here is everything which the student can view over here. Now he is in the class. Now the tabs over here are stream, classwork and people. In the stream, whatever is being announced in the class will be available. Like the announcement is there, Harshita has posted her assignment over here in the stream itself, but it should be posted in the classwork itself. And then a teacher has given new assignment. Then these are the comments posted by the student or the teacher. So you will see that in the stream. Now if you want to see the classwork posted by your teacher, just tap on the classwork and here is the assignment which you can see over here. People, you can see the classmate and the teachers within this classroom. Let's get back to classwork. How to complete your assignment, how to upload your assignment. So I'll just click on the assignment to view it. And here is the assignment and instructions over here. Now if I want to submit my work, I click on add work and I can upload my files using my Google Drive. I can click the photo using the camera. If I already clicked the photographs, I can upload the photo. Like I can upload any of the image like this. I click on this again. Then I can upload a file also. If it is a Word file, I can upload that. And if I want to create a document slide sheet, I can do that as well. So let's suppose the student has clicked the photograph. So again you can select multiple pictures, right? So they will be uploaded, and once it is done, the student will click on hand in. Hand in means he is handling it to the teacher and he is submitting it to the teacher, right? So I'll click on hand in. It is asking for your confirmation, so you click on hand in and it will be submitted to your teacher, right? So it will give you the message work submitted. If you want to unsubmit, you can unsubmit it as well. If you have some doubt, you can ask it over here. So this is how you will upload your assignment using phone. I hope this video will help you to upload your assignment using a phone, Android phone. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, do like it, subscribe, share, and if you have any problem, you can write in the comment section below. And in the description, I will be sharing some link how to upload your work using laptop or desktop. If you want to, do watch it. Thank you.